Hi, so I finally got my GOT7 photo card set. I'm really happy. Just got it today. So yeah, this is the front. You can see it's a little cute box. I really like it. So here's the back. Information. Again, the sides. Oh, really adorable box. So yeah, let's open it up. I haven't looked at the pictures yet, so yeah. Ooh. JB first. Yeah, first. Yep. So here we go. Back. They have this matte finish, matte gloss. It's really nice. Yeah, thickness like normal photo cards, rather thin. So there is a far view and a near view. Oh no, there's 3 different kinds. Awesome! Oh, this is awesome. No, there's 4. Wow, there's so many. Wow. I thought there would only be like, but yeah, it's like quite thick, so I should have known. But yeah. So yeah, 4 for each member. That's really cool. I got Mark. Yeah. Oh. I'm guessing all of Mark's packs are the same. Yeah. Sweet JB, so I don't need to show them all. A really sweet photo shoot. I really like the pictures. Junior. I like this. Wow. Oh, I like that picture. Oh. Jackson. Yeah. Yeah. Got a really pretty smile. Youngjae, yeah. Oh, such a nice photo shoot. Oh, those were not in order. Oh, sorry. Bum bum. Yeah. Oh, back. Did your Youngjae's back as well? Yeah. Oh, it's a really nice picture. Vivian, yeah. Ooh. Oh, group cards. Yeah, nice. Ooh. See here. so the group cards don't have a signature, just look like that. I'm guessing with their debut date, yeah. So yeah, that was the entire set. Wow. Oh, I really like these cards. Oh, awesome. Entire thing there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.